Lynx, a feline fantasy. Imagine a creature, a blend of raw power and silent grace. A Lynx. It sounds like something from a myth, doesn't it? But what if a tiger and a lynx could actually produce offspring? The size difference alone presents a huge hurdle, and their genetic makeup vastly different. But nature is full of surprises. Perhaps in some hidden corner of the world, a Lynx roams free. It's fun to speculate, isn't it? To dream of creatures that defy the boundaries of what we know. The Lynx may only exist in our imaginations, but the one